guys, it's me Sarah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a tuna pasta salad. So the ingredients that you're going to need to make this dish are: you're going to need some freshly boiled pasta, some tuna, vegetables of your choice. These are the vegetables that I have: olives, pepper, cabbage, cucumber, carrots, lettuce, and fresh coriander. Next, you're gonna need some tahini paste. To make this into a sauce, you're gonna need to add some lemon, water, cumin, and salt to taste. This is actually very healthy because instead of putting mayonnaise, we're putting tahini because it has lots of calcium. So let's get started. First, I'm going to be adding my tuna, and I'm gonna lightly break it up with my spoon. And after I mix this in, I'm gonna add my vegetables, and after that, my pasta. Now it is time for our vegetables. Now I'm going to lightly fold our pasta in with the rest of our mixture. And now I'm done folding in my pasta. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to check out my other salad recipes linked down in the description box down below because I'm making a salad series. Also follow me on Instagram. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye! See you next time!